boat right here, and the intake is down there and it blows out there. So this is kind of a maiden voyage for this boat right here. I was going to be using this boat. I was going to put some rubber up in here as my rescue boat for like my Miscaito or speedboats that may need some rescuing if they flip over. So we're going to give this little boat a try. Downside here is your battery compartment. I'll get you the battery size here. I can't see, I can't remember what it was. But on this day, I'm going to salute all American patriots. It's a sad, terrible, dark day in our country. 12 soldiers died today over there in Afghanistan, which is a complete travesty. But anyways, let's get the boat on the water. All right, everybody. So let's turn it up. Look at that. That's nice. Got some lights up there. Looks realistic. It'll be our rescue boat. Looking nice. See those twin jets blowing out the back? That's cool. Yeah, this could be a rescue boat for, these boats were used in Vietnam. Get a little closer for a nice little shot. I'll put the links in the description. You can use this as a rescue boat. That's cool. Alright, I'm gonna bring it in, guys. Yep, unload the soldiers. There we go. Yep, once again, that is the Alpha from Horizon Hobby. And that is a pretty damn cool little boat there. Alright, got some water in there. That's pretty cool. Like that. Not bad. Some lights up here, lights there, searchlight there, searchlight up in the front here. Yeah. You don't want to spend the money on that tugboat. You got this guy. This will be a rescue boat for anything. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Until next time, saluting all of our patriots and soldiers all around the world. This is Joe, fellow patriot and a fellow